If you've got extra lemons, let's make these lemon popsicles. Give your lemons a thorough wash. Then cut your lemon in half. I like to do mine in a measuring cup. This is a 2-cup one because we're gonna need to pour it in a little bit into the popsicle mold. So it just makes everything a little bit easier and makes it so there's one less dish. Then I'm using a lemon squeezer and I'm squeezing in the juice of 1 whole lemon. I always forget first that I wanted to get some of the zest, so I will do that afterward. Almost every single time I need zest, I will forget. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of zest, that's all you need. You can use as much or as little as you'd like. Then I'm gonna use my finger and slide as much of that zest out as possible. I'm taking a slotted spoon to get the 2 seeds that fell in there out. Actually 3 seeds, because I forgot to zest before I cut it. Now I'm gonna add in some milk. Then I'm adding in some sugar, and you can do between 1/3 cup and 1/2 cup depending on your preference, and mix everything together. Now I'm taking a clean spoon and I'm gonna taste a little, and that is very good. It's very sweet. Mine definitely is on the sweeter side, but I like a sweet popsicle, so that's perfect for me. Put these on top. And I still have some more popsicle liquid, so I am going to see how many of these I can fill as well. I probably should have just used this one, but I really like those shapes. Okay, it looks like I have about 3, and I'm gonna stick these in there and take them to the freezer. I'm gonna let these freeze overnight. I let my popsicles freeze overnight and they should be good to go. I like using silicone popsicle molds because you can pop them out from underneath. There it is. These are so tasty. You've got to give them a try.